Morning po. Mag-try po tayo ng dragon fruit ulit, no? I think the other day, half lang po yung kinain ko. So, wala po siyang significant na blood sugar spike eh. So, this time, mag-try po tayo ng isang buo. And we'll see kung ano po yung magiging blood sugar spike. Mataas ang blood sugar today. So, pwede naman po siyang gamitin, no? Blood sugar spike lang naman po nung dragon fruit ang kukunin natin. So, I'd go ahead and eat it and babalik po ako after an hour to get the blood sugar reading. One hour na po. So, kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Sobrang laki ng difference, ha? 126 to 163. 163 po. Ayan. So, isang buong dragon fruit po yung kinain natin today, no? Balik po ulit ako after an hour and we'll see kung ano po yung maging final blood sugar reading. Final blood sugar reading na po tayo. Yan. Oh! But anyway, dragon fruit po, no? Isang buo po yung kinain po natin today, no? So, medyo scary lang po yung first hour na spike po niya, 163. So, ito na po, no? Bumaba na naman po at bumalik na po sa normal yung blood sugar ko. Pero again, no? Perfect example po ito nung eating in moderation, no? So, the other day, kalahati lang po yung kinain ko and yung blood sugar spike was okay. So, ngayon po, isang buo, pangit po yung first hour na blood sugar spike. Anyway, yun lang po for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.